I didn't say it.
I didn't say the F word.
Well, I got a never left. You know, it's not a comeback if it never leaves. So it's a never left. 2021 Silverado, 10 speed. Get it all done. No Prindle. Car won't shut off, won't turn on. So, gotta explore that tomorrow. So I go into parts, and I hear the parts guys talking behind the counter. Somebody ordered a transmission. They sent somebody to come and get it and pick it up for them. This is 100 miles away from us. So they sent somebody to come pick it up. Guy picked it up, took off. An hour and a half later, state police calls our dealership and says, we have a transmission that's yours on the side of the road. There's nobody around. So we're just going to set it to the side of the road and see if somebody come back and picks it up. So they call the people who bought it and said, your transmission's on the side of the road. I don't really know exactly where it's at, but yeah. Nobody called into panic saying they lost a transmission. That's the funny part. We have one parts guy that doesn't get in a real big hurry. And somebody's like, he's the slowest parts guy we got. So I walk up to the parts counter, and this guy says, he's the slowest one we got. So he looks at me, and he looked at him, and he says, you're going to have a birthday before you get your parts. Hey, Troy, what do you want? So I got my parts real fast. Real quick, I was out. I don't know how long the other guy sat there. We got a technician at our shop who made his own chest set out of camshafts, gears, valve springs, O2 sensors, axle nuts, rocker arms. Here's a picture of it. I'll show it to you. I don't play chess, so if I did, it'd be really cool to play. But I don't. Sorry. Checkers is about as far as I go. So that's my excitement for the day. I'm at home. I'm ready to go relax. Do all this over again tomorrow. That's my wrench reality. Peace out. Like the new sign. I'm fastest boy. I didn't say it.